So ein Schwarzfahrer war auch dieser Sleepy John Estes, zumindest behauptet es in dem Song, und beschwert sich über die gemeinen Special Agents bei der Bar. Right? One, two, three. Now when I left for Ripley, the weather was kinda cool. Oh, when I left for Ripley, the weather was kinda cool. And I said, boy, you gotta be careful. You probably might catch a fool. Now when I swung that manifest and I went down in Federal Box, oh, I hung that manifest and I went down in Federal Box. Country, they sure as I'm a man. Them special agents of the country, they sure as hard on a man. Won't let you ride the fast train, he just won't let you ride no train. And I was sure feeling bad. I was sitting down in Centralia, and I was sure feeling bad. He wouldn't let me ride no fast train. He put me off some doggone drag. Agents put me off close to some town.